حضورنا الكريم، يسعدنا الآن أن ندعو السيدة الفاضلة ليلى سرحان، المدير الإقليمي للقطاع العام في منطقة الخليج بشركة مايكروسوفت، لإلقاء كلمتها، فلتتفضل.
Thank you. Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, it's a great honor for me and for Microsoft to be part of this 6th e-government forum. We have been partners with the government of Kuwait and the Central Agency for Information Technology for many years today. And today also marks an important point in the journey of digital transformation of the government of Kuwait. And we're very proud to be not only sponsors, but also great partners. I think for all of us who work in technology, the only question we have in our mind is what is next? And what is next is a question that we ask ourselves every day. And we believe that what's next, we all know and realize today, it's all about artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence has been on the minds of many governments for the past years and will be on the mind of all governments, we believe, in the coming 10 years, for many reasons that I will try to touch on. But to start, let's try to think about what is artificial intelligence. At Microsoft, we believe it is about amplifying human ingenuity with intelligent technology. In simple words, this means how we can reason using artificial intelligence by learning with imperfect data, how we can understand and make meaning out of many forms of data, being voice, data, videos, or speech, or text, and how we can interact with people in much more natural ways. But artificial intelligence is not new. I think we've always tried to amplify human ingenuity. Let's think of calculators, where we wanted machines to make calculations faster than human, or even with computers with graphical user interface. And the first self-driving car, believe it or not, was invented back in 1994. But what's happening today with the cloud and artificial intelligence is 3 main trends. First is algorithms that are becoming more powerful. Second is the cloud is bringing much more computing power that is available to everyone. And of course, big data and machine learning that is helping us to analyze all of those algorithms. At Microsoft, we believe that artificial intelligence that governments will play a big role, not only as a user, but also as an enabler for artificial intelligence. It will help deliver better services at a lower cost. It will also help government in many areas and many scenarios that we can identify. Let's think, for example, of public safety. Many cities today have videos and CCTV everywhere. How do we analyze those videos? Machines are able to analyze thousands and thousands of videos much faster than humans do and improve public safety. Or think of citizen services today with what we call chatbots or digital assistants for citizens to interact better with governments. We know that citizens today probably do not like to interact with governments on a daily basis. Or even with tax fraud, by analyzing patterns of data around people who are filing taxes and people who are frauding, and we can identify who is going to be the fraudulent taxpayer. But of course, with AI comes a lot of questions. And those questions are also on many governments' mind. Will artificial intelligence eliminate jobs? I think for those of you who have been long in IT, we thought that IT will eliminate jobs. It actually created new jobs, and we believe AI will create new jobs, and it is our responsibility together to help the new generation to actually embrace those new jobs. With artificial intelligence also comes bias. Is the data going to be biased by certain trends or certain humans? And I think when we bring our cognitive services as Microsoft, we help eliminate those biases. Allow me to share with you a video that shows some scenarios of artificial intelligence so that we illustrate a little bit what we're talking about.
Artificial intelligence isn't coming, it's here. It's the defining technology of our time. But it's human ingenuity that makes it so powerful. Jane started losing her vision when she was 12.
California Street.
She uses Seeing AI,
I crept down the stairs.
Crept down the stairs and out the door.
which enables her to read and navigate her world. Microsoft AI is helping farmers adapt to climate change,
We can use technology to help feed the world without wrecking the planet.
enabling wildlife conservation,
The ability to use AI really democratizes science. WildMe uses images from any source to help study endangered species.
and creating new ways for people with hearing loss to communicate.
I want the exact same information that my hearing friends have.
It's more than just imitating intelligence or sounding like a human. Microsoft AI is changing every industry, from healthcare
And now you can see these finite details, the relationship with many structures.
to engineering and telecommunications.
We are using artificial intelligence to change the way we are relating to customers.
AI lets us put people first.
The Microsoft tools really enabled us to breathe digital life into an iconic brand persona.
The product that we make is not a thing in a box. Microsoft AI empowers others to create experiences and potential. This is just the beginning.
Artificial intelligence, it's just opened up this whole world.
The future we invent is a choice we make.
The question today is not if you are going to embrace artificial intelligence, but it's really about when and how. And we really hope that we'll continue to partner with the Central Agency for Information Technology to bring AI to the government of Kuwait. Thank you very much.
كل الشكر والتقدير للسيدة الفاضلة ليلى سرحان المدير الإقليمي للقطاع العام في منطقة الخليج بشركة مايكروسوفت على هذه الكلمة.